Iceland vlog starts now. Ooh. It's my first international flight. I think I'm doing great so far. Maybe take a picture with the pilot. That'd be so cool, right? Picture with the pilot, first flight.
Your page and your boarding pass available for the boarding agent. We appreciate your
Safety video was really cool. I like how they did all those really cool little graphics where they showed you what you should be doing in case of emergency, used the elements of the water to outline what it was. Like there was one that had a slide and it was a waterfall and they drew the slide on top of the waterfall to give you the direction of what to do. Really cool. We made it to the Airbnb. There's a rental car. Ooh, rental car, yeah, I did it. I drove in Iceland, and these are my steps, my feet, walking on the floor in Iceland. First thoughts so far? Man, this place is awesome. It's beautiful. It's flat, and there are mountains, and I like it a lot. Never been to Europe, it's cool. Talk to you later. Pit stop, and then driving, maybe a little time lapse for you guys. Let's check it out.
toppings on the bottom. This is delicious. Finished. Let's have a chat. So we're here for, well, I'm here for 4 days. Today's Monday, right now, anyway. Monday the 6th. And then I leave on Thursday the 9th. And I've got a jam-packed schedule today. And you'll see what happens little by little. So today is actually a national holiday in Iceland. It is like Service Workers Day. So people who work in industries where you serve are celebrated nationally. So a lot of businesses are actually closed, and we're lucky that this place is open because these guys chose to. Here's to the wonderful service workers of Iceland. Welcome to the first site for Iceland. It's this giant waterfall behind me. Holy moly. There's so much water.